There's Tommy Rants. Get right to this cabin layout here at Shiloh on the lake. Caney City, Cedar Creek Lake, Texas. So they got some cabins here. There's good old number 8, 9, 10. Walk over here. They're about, well, it's probably 40 feet between those two. There's like 2 pairs of them. 10 and then 11. 10 is pretty cool looking. Time to relax, it says. Nice little deck. Chairs. These are facing the lake. These are closer to the lake than many of the other cabins. I wonder if they have a little loft up there. Not sure. See, they got a window unit mounted over there. See between these two, the brown, presumably older cabins. They may have more character though. Let's see. I'm walking on number 11. And there's a, by the way, to give a perspective, there's my site over there where the casita is. There's one of at least 2 bathrooms down here with pretty close to me, both of them. And then we have all of these. Oh wow, these are bigger. Yeah, there's quite more up here than I realized. We got that one, the lodge it's called. So we're gonna assume that's for bigger groups. And oh, that one's really nice. Covered patio there. Looks like it's got one in the back too. There's another cabin beyond. Grills all over the place. I'm gonna walk around and approach from this direction. Oh, this is a duplex. Maybe a 4-plex if there's 2 more doors, entry doors in the back. I don't know yet. Okay, not sure. I don't see any posts, any services right here, so that may not be for RVs. I don't know. Propane tank over there. Metal roofs, right deep in the trees. Yeah, this one must be a 4-plex. I'm just guessing. It could just be a duplex, but this is the back side. And anyway, they have little decks out here, patio. 2 fire rings, picnic tables over there. They have got fire rings everywhere in this place, and barbecues, and picnic tables. There's a guy up in another part of the park by his RV. He's got a bunch of 2x8s or for picnic table tops and benches. He must be going around and replacing them. I haven't seen him doing that, but I saw his stack of cut lumber and it was pretty obvious that's what it was for. Somewhere around here it turns private, and that may be it. I don't know. I'm not going to intrude over there on this video, but look at all the trees here. I mean, it is just beautiful down here. that group of RVs, that's about the only other folks that are here, and this is a pretty big place. So here we are, about April 20th, I believe. And that's the way it is down there. Look at all the empty sites through there. It couldn't be quieter or more peaceful around here, and I am just loving that. Thankfully, they stuck me down close to the lake. As I walk along here, there's those 8, 9, 10, 11 cabins that I showed the front side of. This is the back side. Side entrances too. Yeah, all of them, I guess, have that. And look at I stand here and I just look at the barbecues. And they work, they're simple, basic, but they work real well. Open or with the lid shut. And then there's the casita again over there. So I just walked a circle around all these cabins, that's all. I think casita's probably, I'm going to say 150 feet from here. And we're going to walk down towards the lake now. Do a little more of a tour. And here we have, looks like a communal deck. It's possibly seen better days, but it looks, appears to be stable. Basketball goal. Oh, kids would have a blast at this place, and I'm sure they will be when school lets out. There's a nice view of the fishing dock. One guy down there. I've seen maybe 3 people since I've been here, and that's it. No noise. A guy walked by a while ago and said, "I like your trailer." Told him thanks, and he and his big white dog moved on. Yeah, that deck's fine. Barbecue. There's a horseshoe pit over there by the basketball goal. I'm guessing that, yeah, that's private over there, that long dock. Kind of dead center. And then to maintain some perspective, there's a casita again. Yeah, fire rings all over. These are actually RV sites down here. They're closer to the lake than me, but I think there's 4 along here. Nice, there's one of those big swings right on the water there, which is pretty cool. I'll go over there and sit for a second and wrap this up in a minute. I just want to show a good view of this part of the lake. It's supposed to rain today. It's about probably a little before 10 in the morning. But temperature is mild. I mean, it feels great. It's a little windy, but not as windy as it's been yesterday. It was really windy. There's the kayak rental rentals, screened rooms up there. There's 4 of those. Shot a video of one yesterday, but it was really windy. It's unwatchable. Might try again today because they're kind of cool, and they're only $40 a night. That's kind of directly across the lake, those houses there. Not really interested in that. But they got some nice cribs down here. I can see that. Cedar Creek's a big lake, by the way, from Texas. I think it's in the top 2 or 3, maybe 4. There's Texoma and Richland Chambers and Louisville Lake, Cedar Creek Lake. I can't remember where it falls, but there is a ton of coastline on this lake and lots of property changing hands. Oh, swimming area, no lifeguard on duty. That's why they have the railing and steps down to the water, Tom. There's another set. Well, yeah, steady breeze, I'm gonna guess 15 miles per hour. Flat water, but it could get choppy. Not sure, not for a while. It'd have to kick up a little more. And turn around one last time for perspective. There's a casita in the truck. Now it's probably 250 feet away. Maybe a little less. Okay, that's it for the tour of this part of the lake, but cool looking cabins. Cool looking cabins at Shiloh on the lake. Bye for now.